Arjuna is one of the Pandavas' boy who could shoot at a target with his close eye. So, let us start reading. Long ago, a little boy called Eklavya was born in a poor family. Eklavya was born in a poor family. His family lived away from हस्तिनापुर. वो हस्तिनापुर से थोड़ा दूर रहते थे. The capital of Kuruk kings. They were shunned by the society. They were avoided by the society because they belonged to low caste. Eklavya's mother would often say, "Don't go near those people, they are highborn." Most of the time, his mother said to him, "Don't go near to the highborn people. We lowborn are not supposed to mix with them. We are not supposed to mix with the highborn people." Then Eklavya said, "Why? But why, mother?" Eklavya asked. He couldn't understand this discrimination. Every time he couldn't understand this type of discrimination. Eklavya said to his mother, "God set these limits." Have God set these limits? God ने बनाई है limits ये? God. But why God want nice things to them and bad things to for us? God ने उनके लिए अच्छा क्यों किया? Why God has done bad things to us? Hasn't God made all of us equal? God ने हमें equal नहीं बनाया है? She sighed. "I don't know, but all are bounds we can't cross." Her mother looked at him and he said, "I don't know, but I just know this, we don't have to cross these boundaries." Eklavya became quiet from that day. The only important thing for him was to understand the meaning of limit. From that day, he set a target. He has a strong determination to learn about the archery that he wants to learn from Guru Drona, and he don't know the meaning of limits, and he wants to know the limits of mind now. Before that, when he was a kid he don't know the meaning of limits of mind, but now he wants to know. One day Eklavya saw beautiful chariots coming into forest near his village. Chariots is a rath. He saw boys of his age get out of the chariots. Last, one old man with snowy white hair, come out looking stern but calm. He saw some boys are coming out from that chariot, and one person is also there who is having white hairs on his head, and he is looking stern but calm. Stern means he is looking rigid. बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग लग रहे थे, मतलब उनके लुक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग थी, बट ही वॉज काम. Eklavya heard his father's voice. "Those are the Kuru prince." Eklavya father said to him, "Those are the कुरुक्षेत्र के प्रिंस हैं वो. With their great teacher Drona. They are having with them Drona as a teacher. The boy he has just patted on his favorite Arjuna." Patted means tapping on the back of Arjuna. He has just tapped on the back of Arjuna with his palm. They have come to practice archery. Don't go near them. They have come to learn how to use bow and arrow. Bow and arrow means तीर कमान. वो यहाँ लर्न करने के लिए आए हैं, वो द्रोणा उनको टीच करने के लिए आए हैं. So don't go near them. So the boys started shooting with bow and arrows. After that they started shooting. What amazing thing Arjuna did. What amazing thing, strange thing Arjuna did. He could shoot at a target with closed eyes. Arjuna has a quality of shooting with closed eye. Okay, so he could shoot with his left hand as well as with right hand. Arjuna has also another quality, that he can shoot with his both hands. And his teacher Drona can also made fire with his bow and arrows, and also chase things in circles, brought rain and lightning. His teacher can brought rain and lightning also, and it was magical. It seems magical. The practice ended. After that, the practice ended. Eklavya went up to Drona and with folded hands, he folded his hand in front of Guru Drona and said, "Sir, please teach me this magical art. Please teach me this archery. How to shoot this bow and how to shoot this arrow with the bow." So what Drona replied to Eklavya, "I don't teach the low-born." Drona said to Eklavya, "I don't teach the low-born people." Drona replied coldly, means angrily, and turned away, and he just moved away from that side. "Master, your arrows don't seem to mind any limits." Means आपके bow and arrow को आप कोई limit नहीं पता. They cross all the boundaries and bring rain and fire and do wonders. Wonders means magic. How then can you bound by the thoughts of high and low birth? अगर आपके तीर जो हैं वो किसी बाउंड्री से नहीं बंधे हुए, how you are bounded, how your mind is bounded with low and high birth. Saying this, Eklavya, Eklavya said this and walked away from a glaring Drona. Glaring means shining Drona. Okay, some glow is coming out from his face, so that's why glaring word is used. Okay, so rest of the chapter we will do tomorrow. Read it till page number 55.